Welcome to ACHEMA. We are at the IMA Safe booth area where we are presenting the state of art in terms of packaging technology. This year we are presenting our DYNAMICA, the highest cartoning machine in our portfolio, equipped with the latest development in terms of leaflet folding unit, named Roll 1, a new concept of leaflet system completely independent from the quality of the paper. Besides that, we are presenting a very wide range of feeding system which can be applied on our cartoning machine portfolio. We are inviting you to surf our website where you can find all the solutions that IMA can propose. Thank you.